Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Therese. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to show how we unbox some baby stuff, and well, not me, my husband. Thank God for my husband, because if it was up to me, I would not open anything in the box. They will be sitting in the box until, I don't know, the baby start crawling. So anyways, watch the full video and see how we unbox and look at what we have so far. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
But he was still good, right? That's the point. That's for you. Look whatever I buy you. Because I don't want you to go. You see yours? No. That's yours. That's for you.
I want it.
Yeah, I'm gonna install it. You have to be patient.
Stickers.
Hmm?
Stickers to put on the crib.
No, to put on the wall. Don't open it. Yeah. No, do it. You need a decoration wall.
Stickers.
For the wall. Yeah, look at it. So, I'm gonna move this thing on the other side, right? So I can just bring it. I think I can put it right here, right?
Is that?
You can leave it for now there, so we don't. If you wanna roll it something, we can roll it this side and whatever. So we're just pushing on all the way to bed.
Why are you guys lying to me?
Yeah, it's nice. It's all
No, it's not.
yeah, it's good. Maybe just big one. Just put one big one here. You know, right here. A big one. Just one. And go like this. It doesn't matter. Like that. Good. She's doing good.
Dirty.
Yeah, she's doing good. That's how you learn. That's how you teach. He doesn't look like the same force, yeah? Come here, but this one you're gonna see. You put it nice. Ah, no, baby. It's really nice. Come here. Come here.
It's good.
Yeah, you have to get it. It's different. You know, you want to put diapers and stuff. Put like a mini, a poubelle. So, later on, I was thinking about tapis moins bien. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, because tapis to moins munene. I put a tapis moins munene.
So are we still opening all this stuff? Or no?
We're just going slow. We have to finish today, but we're gonna do the big part today. Just to
What
put
is the big
stuff
part?
to.
What's the big part?
So like, I want like this one.
The rocker?
The rocker. Or rocker like right there. You can put stuff right here.
Okay.
Those chunky things.
Other things, like what, her stuff is gonna be in that corner, right?
Yeah, chunky stuff. Yeah, chunky stuff, yeah.
And the
Yeah, the chunky stuff, yeah.
And this can go in that corner.
Yeah. I need to wipe that one. Wipe a little light check, so that's the part of the game, because where is my light though? So I knew like I need another light. So then I went wipe the check for the thing and kill my apple. To show like it's here, to show me it's here. I want a light check. That's what I want. Please move something like chili. You can see how good it is. Look at this.
Yeah, so many pieces. I don't mind. I'm gonna go sit down for this. What?
I need to see them.
Yeah, I think we should open it sideways.
Yeah. Ma prendi e usci, quanto che... Dove qua è qua? I need a paper, by the way.
Mama,
Yeah.
I want this.
Yeah, after we're done, we're gonna open that for you, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, inshallah. Ini mkauchu mbezo. Inabamba mkauchu, so it's kama
Yeah, this is that. And then how long is the doona going to take?
Why are you looking at me?
I don't know. Doona is already doona.
It's already set up.
Yeah.
That's what it means. Duna is Duna. That looks like a mirror.
Let's put it up.
Oh, daddy. This papa.
Did you move it? Like the little screen up there.
No way.
There's a swing.
It's already.
Yellow. What color is it?
What you can do just whatever color.
But I want to do it according to that.
No.
Voila.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You sure?